Welcome to the course ClickView Dashboard Development in 3 hours. My name is Abhishek Agrawal and I have 12 plus years of experience into doing dashboarding, reporting and analytics. I am currently working as a manager analytics, and during that experience I have got 6 plus years of dashboard development experience in ClickView. Also, I have worked in Power BI and Tableau as well. Let's review the course. So here we will first start with the installation of ClickView and reviewing ClickView important terminologies like its different structure, its backend and front end, so that we are well familiarized with the ClickView internal and external interface. Then we will move on adding the external data from various sources like CSV file or Excel file or databases, so that wherever your data is stored, you can get it inside the ClickView for doing the dashboarding and analytics work. Then we will move on how we can create the data models, and we will strive for creation of star schema, which is the heart of ClickView, where if we are achieving towards star schema model, your application performance will be very good. After that, we will move on addition of new components like charts, list boxes, multi-boxes, etc., which are very important to give an intuitive interface to the end user. Then we will move on and create the dashboard with the help of advanced expression. There we will look at how we can create KPIs, we can create metrics with the help of advanced expressions, set analysis. So set analysis is one of the very important topic of entire ClickView ecosystem, where most of your business objectives are getting achieved with the help of the set analysis. After that, we will finally move on to securing our application with the help of security features in ClickView, where we need to write some small scripts to basically secure our application from users as well as from a data perspective, where we can reduce the data for a specific type of users. So let's see the goals that you will going to achieve with the help of this course. You will be able to start any new project from the scratch. You will get all the sufficient understanding in this course to start any project from scratch. Then you will see that you will be able to achieve the development of star schema model for the efficient ClickView apps. In this course, I have shown you how you can strive it for achieving the star schema model and what are the things that you need to take care. After that, you will be able to understand how you can create quick and efficient dashboard, which is must for our end users or our business teams to take the most out of it from the data. Then you will see that how you can add user level security to secure your data, as well as dashboard, which is a must when you are having an enterprise dashboards. With the achievement of all these goals, you will be able to complete all the life cycle requirements for ClickView dashboard development. Now let's see the prerequisites. The prerequisite is that ClickView needs a Windows system, and for that you need at least Windows 7 or higher, so that you can get the best output from your ClickView dashboards. And then I will highly recommend that you should have some basic understanding of reporting and analysis using Excel and SQL, because ClickView mimics most of the features like expressions, charts and everything which are currently present in Excel, as well as it has a flavor of SQL, where you will see that you don't have to really create queries, but ClickView create the queries for you. So having an understanding of basic SQL queries like select will give you an immense help when you are actually doing the selection of data or doing the merging, joins and so that's what all you need to start with this course, and I'm really excited that you are thinking about this course, and I'll see you in the course then.